Friday. Today is Friday. Okay, sit down. What was your homework for today?
Exercise 5, page number 28.
Exercise 5, page number 28. Let's check your home task. His name is Dr. Albakirov and he is Kazakhstan's first cosmonaut.
True.
True. First group. He tasted over 60 planes and he was the first person to fly non-stop over the North Pole. First group, false. Second group, false. Okay. He was famous on a Soyuz space mission to do research in space. Your answer? False. False. Okay. Today he is now cosmonaut.
False.
False. False. Okay. Dr. was a test pilot for the Kazakh Air Force. True. Okay. Next. She was born as a lesbian in 1922 and became one of the unknown singers in Kazakhstan. False. Okay. She started singing as a soloist with the song and dance ensemble of the Kazakh Philharmonic Orchestra. False. Well, she died in 2011 at the age of 89. True. She liked to perform in the language of that country. True. Well, she sang in Londra and performed popular songs. False. First group, you answer false. Well, Karsybаева is Kazakhstan's painter.
True.
His paintings are so beautiful.
False.
He was a great artist because he painted in oils and watercolors and he was good at painting different types of pictures.
True.
First group, you answer true. Okay. Check your answer with your right. With answer on the blackboard. T, F,
T.
Okay. Have you finished? Yes. Okay. Your next task. You will be described to these famous people using present simple. First group, come here. Alia, come here. First group describes the second group. The second group describes the first group. Okay, second group describes
In 2006, his producer is his mother. His dancer for toys.
Okay, learners, your next task, you will be described about these famous people using the present simple. The first group, come here. Sit down. The first group describes the second group. Демек, екінші топ. Суреттейміз, но суреттейді. Салима.
Larger ancestral crisis. In 2006,
16.
his
Producer, his mother.
he dances for toy. He is most popular singer. He is married and
Married.
in
Бірнеше минут уақыт бар ойлануға. How do you think? Who is he? Singer. Мақтай берген ба? Жоқ. Yes. Қайрат дұрыс па? Yes. Okay, дұрыс па балалар? Yes. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Так, the second group, who wants? Камила, come here. Come here. Так, describes the second group. The first group. Бірінші топ, суреттейміз. Zeynep.
She is a singer of Kazakhstan. One of your competition Jazz Kanat. She is from Kızılorda. She is so pretty. Her hair black. She is married and she has one son. She is a woman.
She is woman. We have 3 minutes. Камила, ойлануға 3 минут уақытың бар. She is singer. Ойланамыз.
No.
Singer. She is a singer, Камила. Singer. Who is she? Мадина Сабақтың. Okay. Sit down, Камила. Learners, look at the blackboard. Let's visit to art gallery. As you see, there are many pictures. Who are they? How do you think? Who are they? How do you think? Роза Багланова. Okay, Тоқтар Абалгеров. Абылхан Раскеев. Who is she? Sportswoman. She is sportswoman. He is sportsman. Sabina. Алтынбекова. Адырбек. Ниязымбетов. Okay. Our new lesson. Famous people.